Soft lights glowing through the open door, voices warm as they fill the floor. Tables lined with colors bright, hands exchanging gifts of light. Laughter drifting in the air, kindness offered everywhere. Every heart and every smile makes the evening feel worthwhile. In the circle where the people meet, sharing stories, simple, sweet, there's a warmth that fills the room, quiet joy in gentle bloom. Homemade treasures set with care, music weaving through the square. Steps of neighbors wandering slow, finding comfort as they go. Touches of the past and new, coming forward in the view, joined together